In today's video, we will see some of the important 3-mark questions from the sample paper 2019. So the first question is, in the figure, angle 1 equal to angle 2 and triangle NSQ is congruent to triangle MTR. Then we have to prove that triangle PTS is similar to PRQ. So they have given congruent and we have to prove those two triangles are similar. Congruent means all the sides and all the angles will be equal. Corresponding sides of triangle NSQ will be equal to corresponding sides and angles of triangle MTR. Both sides and angles, corresponding sides and angles will be equal. But for similar, the corresponding angles will be equal, but the corresponding sides will be proportional. So the given data they have given as angle 1 equal to angle 2. Also they have given triangle NSQ is congruent to triangle MTR. So angle 1 is here equal to angle 2. Then triangle NSQ. So this triangle NSQ is similar to triangle MTR. So from that, since angle 1 equal to angle 2, I can write PT equal to PS. Give this equation number 1. Because angle 1 equal to angle 2. This, if base angles are equal, the side opposite to equal sides will be equal. So we know that the side opposite to equal sides will be equal. Therefore, the side opposite to angle 2 is PS and the side opposite to angle 1 is PT. Now, triangle NSQ is congruent to triangle MTR. That means the corresponding angles will be equal. I can write NQS will be equal to MRT. Again, I can write PQR equal to PRQ. See, NQS is equal to, since they are congruent, MRT. These two angles are equal. So Q is equal to R. That is why I have changed that S to P. PQR is equal to PRQ. From the congruence definition we wrote this, since it is a point, PQR is equal to PRQ because both are equal. NQS also I can write NQP. Both S is a point on the line segment PQ. So again, if the base angles are equal, those sides will be equal. So I can write PR will be equal to PQ. So the sides opposite to equal angles will be equal. We have used that statement. And now equation number 1 and 2, I am going to from 1 and 2 or 1 divided by 2. If I do, I will get PT divided by PR is equal to PS divided by PQ. So now the sides are proportional. So we also know that if two triangles are equiangular, then the corresponding sides are proportional and they will be similar. Same way, if the corresponding sides are proportional, those two triangles will be similar. So I can write triangle PTS is similar to triangle PRQ. This is very easy sum. We took first this triangle, then we wrote, since the side angles are equal, base angles are equal, side opposite to will be equal. So we wrote PT will be equal to PS. Then by the congruence definition, these two angles will be equal. So the side opposite to them will be also equal. So we got PR is equal to PQ. Divide this. Since the sides are corresponding sides are proportional, those two triangles will be similar. So the second question is, in triangle ABC, if AD is the median, then show that AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square plus BD square. So this is one of the important questions. Now, what is the difference between median and altitude? Median means the line segment joining from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So here A to midpoint of BC is D, that is median. Altitude means the perpendicular that is drawn from the opposite vertex to the side of the triangle, or from the vertex to the opposite side of the triangle. It will be 90 degrees. So this is altitude, and AE is altitude and AD is median. So we have to show AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square plus BD square. So they have given AD is median. So median divides that side into two equal parts. So we can write BD is equal to DC. Correct? Now BD will be equal to DC. Now we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem here in this triangle ABE. In the triangle ABE, what will be, when you use Pythagoras theorem, what will be AB square? AB square is nothing but AE square plus BE square. Same way, if you consider the triangle AEC, what will be AC square? AC square is again AE square plus EC square. So there we consider the triangle AEC. Now we are going to add these both. So when I add the left side, I will get AB square plus AC square equal to AE square plus AE square is 2AE square plus BE square plus EC square. Now what will be AE? AE, the left side I need not change because in the question the left side is same. Now in the right side I don't want AE, BE and EC. Instead I want AD and BD. So our aim is to replace all this with AD and BD. So first I'll remove AE. So how will I remove AE? Again you will have we can apply the Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. So AE square is nothing but AD is the hypotenuse. So AD square minus ED square plus BE square. BE square I can write BD minus ED the whole square. Here I am not using Pythagoras theorem, I am just subtracting. From BD, if I subtract ED, I will get BE. Same way, EC square, I am not using the Pythagoras theorem, same concept I am using, DC plus ED the whole square. So only for this, to replace AE, I have used the Pythagoras theorem. Now this I can write, I'll open the bracket, 2AD square minus 2ED square. When you open the bracket, using A minus B the whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So I have BD square plus ED square minus 2BD into ED plus, same way I can use DC square plus ED square plus 2DC into ED. So there I have used A plus B the whole square and A minus B the whole square. Now 2AD square, let's see whether anything is there to cancel. ED square plus ED square is 2ED square and this is minus 2ED square. Same way, is there anything else to cancel? Minus 2BD into ED plus 2DC into ED. Nothing is there to cancel. So next I can write BD square plus DC square. This and this will get cancelled because BD into ED is same as DC into ED. Now this I can simplify as 2AD square plus BD square plus CD square. BD square plus CD square is nothing but the total length. So BD square plus DC square both are same. So I can replace with anyone. See, BD equal to DC because AD is the median. So I can replace this. I am going to replace this DC as BD only. BD square plus BD square because DC is same as BD. So 2AD square plus 2BD square. 2 is common. Take outside. AD square plus BD square. Both are, see, LHS will be equal to RHS. So thus we have proved AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus BD square. We have used the median property, then we have used the Pythagoras theorem, then we add both and we have just simplified this. So thank you for watching the video. If you like my videos, please subscribe it.